In this video, I'll show you how to make a copy on your Epson XP 5200. It's very easy. So let's insert the paper on the scanner over here. Take your document, place it facing down with the top part of your document towards the right side. And then you're going to notice a white arrow. You simply need to drag the corner of your paper so it touches the corner with an arrow. This is how you know that your document is actually a line on your scanner. And this scanner takes up to A4 size paper. Close the lid and we need to go on the screen. You're going to select copy. If you don't see this, simply press the home button. And then we'll have a few different options. These are the basic options. Black and white or color. Use the arrows over here to navigate and select with the OK. Over here we have the contrast, press OK to be able to change this. And if you want more options, you can go in advanced settings on the top right corner. And you can reduce or enlarge your copy. You can change the paper settings, so the size and what kind of paper you're actually copying, and other stuff like the quality and other. Go back. And once you're done, select the number of copies right over here. By default is 1, but by pressing OK, you can select 5, 10, 29. Press OK to confirm and press the lower right side button, this one. And we got our copy. Now, if you want to actually scan a document and get the results on your phone, so you can share it on social media or do whatever you want to do, let me show you how it's done. First step is to connect this printer to your Wi-Fi network. From here on the top right corner, you're going to see the Wi-Fi symbol. Right now we are not connected. This is why they are grayed out. Using these arrows, you can navigate and select them in red and press OK. Now we are in the Wi-Fi settings. So you're going to select the first one, Wi-Fi recommended. Press OK. Press OK once again and select Wi-Fi setup wizard. Wait a few seconds. It will scan for all the Wi-Fi networks that are currently around your printer. Here we go. It has only found one, but maybe in your area you can have multiple Wi-Fi routers of your neighbors. You'll be able to see them down below. In my case, since this is the one I'm seeing and this is mine, I'll press OK. And now it's time to enter the password. Press OK and use the keyboard and the arrows over here to type your password. If your password has some numbers, you need to select on the lower left side 1, 2, 3 and it will switch the keyboard. At the end, go ahead and select OK and press the OK button. Go down and select Start Setup. Press OK and wait. You're going to get this blue check mark with Setup Complete, simply confirming that everything is great and the printer is now connected to your Wi-Fi router. Then we need to go on the App Store, search for Epson Smart Panel. Once you found this app, go ahead and download it. Open, press Agree, press OK, press Next, press Allow while using app, press Next, press Allow. You're going to select your Epson printer from this list, XP 5200 series, and press OK once you see connection is complete. From here, you're going to select Use Tiles. You see on the lower right side. It's the easiest way to navigate through the app. Lift the lid. Take the paper you want to scan. Place it facing down with the top part of your page towards the right side, like this. And now you see over here there is a white arrow. Make sure that the corner of your paper touches the white arrow. This is how you know that the paper is aligned on your scanner. close the scan lid, and on your phone, we can exit this by going back, select scan, and here you're going to have other options that you can change, including the document size you're trying to scan, if you want in black and white or color, the resolution, if you're scanning something with many details like a picture or painting, artwork, stuff like that, select the highest number. It will give you the best results with the most details. For text, you can keep it to 100 dpi. And then you have other stuff that I suggest you don't change apart the image format. So if you're scanning a picture, select JPEG. If it's a document, select PDF. Press start and wait. You're going to get a preview of what got scanned, and you can zoom in to make sure that everything looks sharp. If you don't like the results, you can press the garbage bin over here to delete it. And if, let's say, you want to scan multiple pages and combine them in one PDF file, remove this page, put the next one, and then press the plus sign. You'll be able to add multiple pages down below. Otherwise, you can crop the scan. You can rotate the scan if this is not what you want. Press next. Give this file a new name. This is the default name, but you can change it to something else. Scanning, okay, great. And press the save button. You'll be able to save it on your iPhone in any folder that you wish. If you prefer sharing it on social media or with your contacts or in a specific app, click on the square over here with an arrow pointing up. You'll be able to select in which app or with which contact you want to share your scan. So this is about it. I hope my video was helpful. If so, please comment down below, subscribe, like, and I'll see you in the next video.